Hello guys, what's up? And welcome back to my channel, Roam with Rach. If you don't know who I am, my name's Rachel, and I make videos on fashion, travel, and just lifestyle content in general. If you like any of those things, consider subscribing. Today, I want to do a fashion video. I've been seeing a lot of inspiration online, people going to Pinterest for inspiration. And I'm not a big Pinterest girly yet. I'm getting more and more into it. And so this video is kind of helping accelerate that process, really enjoying the world of Pinterest. I also think that people always go out and buy new things all the time, and while that can be fun and needed sometimes, it's not always needed. And so I like when people recreate Pinterest outfits because I feel like it's them utilizing clothes that they already have in their wardrobe, which is something I very much support. In this video today, I'm going to be recreating fall Pinterest outfits. So I'm gonna find an inspo picture that I really like and then try to recreate it with clothes that I already have. I like a lot of basics, and I feel like my wardrobe has a good chunk of basics in it already. So the Pinterest outfits that I was looking for were outfits that I liked, but also outfits that were really basic and can be recreated by me and other people. Because you probably already have a lot of clothes that are very cute that you might have forgotten about. All these outfits are going to be fall outfits. I feel like where I live this year, the weather has been really on and off, and so only this week really I've really felt the fall weather be consistent. Let's get into the video. I have some photos saved. We're gonna dig through my closet. My closet is also clean. If you watch my channel, you might have known that I did a closet clean out like a couple months back, so I'll link it if you want to go watch. There's a part 1 and a part 2 because it took me so long to clear out everything, and my boyfriend helped, so it was kind of funny. Okay, so this is the first outfit. Just very chic. I see her wearing jeans. I see her wearing boots and like this charcoal. I have a coat that's similar in color to this, so I'm gonna grab that coat. I like this because it looks very like effortless and comfy and practical. I was watching a video the other day and it was talking about how clothes need to be practical first and foremost. I feel like sometimes people lose that. Like obviously if you're at the Met Gala or if you're doing something that, you know, you're supposed to suspend your own belief, but most of the time in day-to-day life, fashion should be practical. And so the reason I gravitate towards this one is because it is practical, because when it does get cold, it feels nice to wear a nice big chunky scarf. Okay, so let's look for things. So I have this gray coat and it kind of reminds me of the one that she was wearing. This one's a little bit more fancy. You'll see when I put it on, it's got like this fancy collar. But I think the color is gonna be the same, and if I'm wearing a chunky scarf, it'll kind of hide the collar anyway, so it might look good. And then she's got dark wash jeans on. So these are the darkest dark wash jeans that I have right now. They're from Denim Forum, and they're just a straight leg jean. Her pants might be a little more flowy than mine, but I don't have ones that are super flowy. Like, I'm gonna go with these boots that I thrifted lately because I really like the square toe. I can't tell if the toe is rounded or pointed, but I'm gonna go with these ones because I think they'd look good. And now I have to find a scarf. This is like a bin with winter stuff in it. Okay, I don't know if I have a solid color, but I feel like this is a lot of fall colors. I think they'd both be cute in a way. Yeah, I guess hers is brown, so maybe, I don't know, because this is like closer to brown. Oh, what about this scarf? Okay, wait, this might be like the closest brown one I have, so I'm gonna use this one. She has like a white like knit sweater on it, and I feel like I have a sweater similar. This one I thrifted a while back. It's not the exact same, but it does have like a nice kind of waffle styling on it. I feel like it's got some hole in it. Oh, but the hole's at the back. Okay, so maybe we can make this work. And then she also had a belt with like a big buckle, so this is one that's similar that I found. All right, let's put this on. Got the bottoms on. It's already starting to look like it. Right, now the boots. The thing I like about these boots is obviously they're beautiful square toe, but I like the fact that they can be tucked under your pants and worn just so you can see the bottom part of the shoe. I feel like with the 2016 of it all, we were really trying to show off the whole boot, which you can, and it can look cute sometimes, but sometimes it's just so nice just to see that bottom part like just poking through. Okay, do you guys see what I mean by like it's got a whole neckline of its own? And then the scarf. Okay, this is the thing about scarves, it's all about how you fold it. And then I think she just got it like effortlessly draped over. Wait. Okay, this is like the most I can get it. It's got some frills. The scarf's obviously a bit different, but I think I did pretty well on this one. I'm feeling really like warm and cozy. I would wear this. I'd wear this outfit. The outfit too is like this silky black skirt. I have a skirt that's like that, and then an off the shoulder sweater, and then a little black purse, and looks like ballet flats. I have a black skirt. The only thing is that it doesn't go like all the way to the ground like hers does. I have an off the shoulder sweater. It is black, so I don't know about how the black on black's gonna look. And then for tiny purse. Okay, for purses, I have one that's like this. This kind of gives me like the same shape as that purse, but it's obviously got a longer handle. I have this little black purse, which is like an itty bitty one. But then also, this might be a vibe with the outfit. We'll have to see if it's on. So here's what we're working with. Slightly tucked in the sweater on the back, just because the sweater I find is really long on me. That's the thing you have to worry about with Pinterest, is like the girl in this photo must have a really like long torso or be tall, because if I wear the sweater like untucked, like it's this long. I think it's cute in like a different way, but no, it doesn't exactly give what this girl's giving, because I feel like it hits her like just at her hips. And so if I tuck mine just a little bit and fold it under, and because I'm wearing the same color here, I thought I'd go rogue and make the shoes kind of like a staple piece. So I don't have ballet flats, but I do have these like burgundy loafers, so I put these on as kind of like the star of the show. I think the pearl one was giving too grandma vibes, so I'm gonna go with this. That is outfit number 2. I think it's cute. I prefer this with a different kind of shoe. I'm more of like a heels girl, but like I actually might wear this. This is kind of fun. And I feel like I wouldn't have thought about putting like a sweater together with this longer skirt, because I normally just wear this longer skirt in the summertime. So like putting it together like this, Pinterest just gives you the ideas, you know? Okay, the next outfit is with a denim skirt. I don't have one this dark, but I do have one that's the same cut down the middle and like more of a light wash one, so I'm gonna grab that. She's wearing sneakers and like an oversized crew neck. It looks like she's wearing like a t-shirt underneath her crew neck, so I guess it kind of like peeks through. I've never done that before, so let's see if it's cute. I've got the denim skirt. I've got a white t-shirt. And then I don't know, I'm gonna try out both of these crew necks. This one might be a little bit too oversized, so we'll see. And then this one, I feel like is the right fit, but it's got paint on it and it's like an old garbage company logo. But I am wearing sneakers with it, so it would be more of a casual look, so let's see. Okay, I don't know about this sweater, because I said this one was going to be the better fitting one, so I might have to try the other color. I've got the sneakers on. I normally don't wear sneakers with like this skirt, so this is something kind of new for me. Got the white shirt underneath, trying to let it like poke through. This is just not giving, like it's not cute, and I don't think it's just because it's a garbage company logo. I'm not sure if this is any cuter, but I'm really trying all the things, like tucking it in, rolling the sleeves. This is my best effort for this one. This one might be a fail, but I'm deserved one fail, okay? One fail per video. Here's the next one. It's like a leather jacket that's a little bit more slim. I have a jacket like this, but it's black, so I think this will work. Looks like nice dark wash jeans again. Hers might be more of a boot cut. I have a straight leg jean, so I'm gonna try that. And little black booty. I'm gonna do my pointed toe. Again, I can't see if her toe is pointed or square or round. I'm gonna try my pointed toe, and it looks like she's just wearing like a black long sleeve. Maybe a turtleneck, maybe like a mock neck. Oh, what if I inverse it and do a brown sweater, because I have a black jacket. Wait. Black jacket, the black skinny leather. And we'll do these like little black booties that I have, and then just my same jeans. Okay, okay. How should I fold the neck? Maybe just like a one fold. Okay, so fun fact, my sister actually gave me this jacket, and it fits me nicely. And I'm like, in the fall, what am I gonna wear under it? Because usually I'm wearing a lot of chunky sweaters. But if I wear a thin sweater, I don't know why that's so groundbreaking to me. So I was like, oh, I'm gonna be cold if I just wear a t-shirt under this. But this is a thin sweater that's really warm. Under this, like this would be warm. This would be perfect for fall. Wish I had like a darker wash jeans, to be honest. I feel like this video is making me realize maybe I should invest in a pair or try to go thrift a pair that's darker wash than these. Because I was thinking for a while that like this is pretty dark, but It doesn't quite go with the dark fall colors. Like, it's kind of giving a little bit more summer energy. Does that make sense? If these jeans were darker, I think this would be something I'd wear. Maybe with like some jewelry, like something to jazz it up and make it a little bit more fun and like special. Because right now it's really, really basic. Even like fun sunglasses, something to make it a little extra. I do think I recreated this pretty well. All right, the next outfit is this one. It's got like a light wash pair of jeans, some fraying at the bottom, black booties, a white t-shirt, and an oversized leather jacket. I do have an oversized leather jacket, but you guys are gonna see and tell me if I'm crazy, but it might be a bit too oversized. Lighter wash jeans. I have these Levi's like rib cage ones. They do have holes in the knees, but I think it's okay because it's giving the same like fraying at the bottom. Here is the leather jacket in question. This is like an oversized one that I thrifted for literally $20. It's denier. It's hard to give up, guys, even though you're gonna see it's a bit too big on me. I don't have like an oversized baggy white shirt that she has, but I do have just like a normal plain white shirt. So I'm gonna do the pointed toe heels again because I feel like hers looked pointed in that photo. Wait, it's not that bad. Mine's a bit more oversized, and obviously there's like the fur collar on this, but I think it's good, just like a staple outfit. Again, I would have to find a way to like spice this outfit up and make it more fun with some accessories. And her hair was in a bun, which kind of changes the vibe a little bit as well, but this is the look. How is she doing it like this? Dramatic walk. All right, last but not least, we have like a little skirt moment. I haven't gotten into my skirts in the fall moment yet, like mini skirts. It looks like she's wearing like a black little mini skirt, black tights, little boots that are just under the knee, and an oversized chunky sweater. A lot of my sweaters are chunky, but I have one sweater in mind, but it's a turtleneck. So I'm gonna see. I can act as the sweater and the scarf, maybe. Do you know what I mean? Black little mini skirt. I do love these sheer text tights that I have. They're quite literally like unbreakable, which is unheard of in the tight community. And these ones have like shapewear built into them, so they're just comfy. Because I don't like the ones without shorts, because then they're really baggy and loose in the crotch area, you know what I mean? Okay, here's this skirt and tights are on, and then I am gonna go with this sweater. I've seen a lot of girls wearing like chunky sweaters with little skirts, but I've never fully given it a shot. One of those things I say I always want to try, but I never do. Hey, this is so cute. Adorable. So cute. So effortless too. Like, I don't have to worry about like tucking anything in. It's just all there. And I do feel like this would be warm. And some people even get those tights. I mean, I just did say that I love my sheer text. If you live somewhere that's super cold in the fall, you get those fuzzy tights, the ones that are like warm inside, but it makes it look like you're wearing tights like this. That would be cute. That would be cute. This is such a simple little outfit that looks so cute. Okay, let me get a purse. Wait, I fear this is eating. This is eating. I love this. I'm gonna wear this because you're still really cozy and like comfortable on the top, but then got the little skirt making it feminine and fun. Okay, I feel like that was so successful, but if you're a curly hair girl, you know the struggle of like putting clothes on over your hair. That's everything for this video. I highly recommend trying this yourself, like recreating Pinterest outfits with clothes that you already have. It encourages you to like dig deep in your wardrobe and find pieces that you might have forgotten about or you might not wear all the time, bring them to life, pair them with pieces that you might not always wear. Like, that's what I learned in this video, so I'm definitely going to be doing this again, either on or off camera. Oh, the sun is just hitting the midday sun, like in my eyeballs hitting. That's everything for this video. I really hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and consider subscribing to my channel. And I'll see you next Sunday. Bye, guys.